In this video, I'll show you how to hide your story from all followers in Instagram. To get started, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in the app, navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, and then select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Who Can See Your Content section. Here, you'll see an option called Hide Story in Live. Tap on it. Next, tap on Hide Story From and choose who you want to hide your story from. You can select specific followers you want to hide. For now, there's no option for all followers, but hopefully, in the next update, we might see that. And once you made your selections, simply go back and your Instagram story will be hidden from the audience you chose. That's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.